So today I just want to talk about the other box I bought. I bought 3 banana boxes, so this is box number 2. I also want to show these blades that I purchased. These are Imperial blades. These are made for like the vibrating tool. And you can see this is a pretty good quality blade. These were selling for $10 a piece, and they were selling for 70 something dollars on eBay for a 10 pack. I'm assuming there'll be some of the same items that were in the previous lot as well. I don't know that, but I'm just gonna go out and guess that. Let me throw a blanket down on top of this in case there's anything in here that's dirty. Just don't want to stain the ottoman. So here's a bracket for mounting a fire extinguisher. An under the bed bag, Whitmore bag. Soft close sliding door hardware kit. Not sure. Okay, this is actually interesting. So this is, somebody purchased this, and this went to the returns department, Gatsy's Return Center, Reverse Solutions, Southington. So this was sold, and then it was a return. All right, we got more of the Kardashian Beauty. Oh, there's actually different rose gold, pumped up pink. So there's a couple different colors here. Shimmering gloss. What color is this? Revved up rose gold. So there's a couple different colors there. That's the Kim Kardashian lip gloss. There's 6 of them right there. This is a plug, I think, for like a 3-inch PVC pipe. I think that's what these are. I haven't seen metal versions of these. I usually see the Odie brand plastic ones. These are just like spring clamps for hoses for a gas furnace type of thing. That's what you would use that for. I don't really know what the value of any of that is. Here is a toggle switch of some sort. Under eave vent. So this is a vent for putting below your roof line. I don't think those are really allowed anymore. Could be wrong. Spare tire tongue mount bracket. So for mounting a spare tire on a trailer. Best Press, the clear starch and sizing alternative. So this is some sort of, you use this for when you're ironing clothing. Interesting to see what this stuff goes for. Here's a sliding door closet guide and a spud washer. So this goes in between your toilet tank. Now, I did see this in the picture. This is a screw-in touch on and off control, makes any lamp into a touch light. So you can touch the light and it goes off. That was actually worth more than the asking price. I think I paid $14 for this plus an 18% fee. This is a countdown timer. So it says don't work on it. So I'll look at that. Coffee mug. Silver Buffalo stainless steel tumbler. Keeps up to 4 hours hot, 18 hours cold. If it's any good, I'll probably use that, to be honest. I have a Yeti, but it's always good to have a spare. Another one of these closet pulls. Here's a tie down. There's a tie down. You can mount this somewhere and use this as a tie down, or bed of a truck or something along the lines of that. Here we have eyeshadow, Kim Kardashian Beauty eyeshadow. Oh nice, some more of that. More of the Kardashian. ABS slip joint nut for like installing a sink pipe. Silicone. You can never have too much silicone. Permatex belt dressing. So that's for automobiles or boats or anything along the lines of that. Powdered hand soap. Borax. Hand cleaner. Kicks the grime off your hands. What is this? I have no idea. Something for horses. Some sort of collar. I don't know much about horses. Some sort of collar of some sort. Is a belt to tighten this down? I don't know what that is. This is a plug for like a crock pot or like one of those electric kettles. You would typically see that. Regulator for a gas system. Looks like it was used. Clear flexible silicone. Small light bulb, halogen. Some plastic pew clips. Attach bows, balloons, and flowers to pews or chairs. Some miscellaneous screws, a handle. This looks like a decorative drawer handle. Like 2 of those. Oh, padlock. Padlocks are actually getting kind of expensive. This should hold some good value to it. Hopefully somebody didn't like return. Nah, it looks like it's the right one. People are jerks like that. Here's a faucet threaded insert, so filter. And I need one of these for the sink, but this looks a little too small. It's like the aerator. Nice, here's a good thing. If it's not broken. 100 amp circuit breaker, double pole. These are great money. It's funny, I saw a YouTuber, he was selling these. He was buying the Square D and the GE, and he was selling them in big lots and doing pretty well with them. Here's a hose bib for, if you wanted to put like an outside faucet or something like that. You would use a frost-free one, but this can be used for like a water heater or anything along the lines of that. There's another makeup in here. And then last but not least, we have a mounted wheel. So this would mount, you could use it for all kinds of stuff. This would probably work well for a mounting, it looks like to a 2x4. If you had a fence and you wanted to have the door be able to roll, you would mount it on something like this. So pretty neat. Again, I think it was like $14 and change plus a 18% buyer's premium. So thanks for watching, and we'll go on to box number 3 on our next video.